Hey everybody, check out this beautiful box. Ta-da! It's another fold flat box. I'm on a kick. So it's a nice size box. We could put Ferrero Rochers in here, at least 4, if not 5. It is 1.5 wide, and it is, oh my gosh, 5.5 tall. So lots of goodies could fit in this box. This is Pear Pizzazz cardstock, and I have 9 3/4 by 6.5, and on the long side I'm going to score at 3/4 of an inch, 2 1/4, 7.5, and 9. Flip it round. I got a half here. Oh, pardon me. 1.5. Ignore that. 1.5, 3, 4.5, and 6. So if you ever make a mistake like I just did, what I can do with my bone folder is just burnish it out so that it's not so noticeable. And then I'll just continue on folding all of my score lines this way. But not my mistake. And then folding all of my score lines this way. Okay, so we're going to take off these 2 rectangles straight away. We're going to fold, trim up all of our score lines. And then the same for this. Take out these 2 rectangles, folding up or cutting up on our score lines. All right. So now I always like to imagine where the back is going to be, and so I'm going to put the seam at the back. So that means that this is the lid, and when I fold it, the lid has to tuck in somewhere. So this guy has to be removed, and this guy has to be removed. And then this would be in half, and this would be in half. So I'm going to do the same on the other side, half, and then turn it around and do half here. All right, and then I'm just going to clean it up a little bit. I'm going to wedge out the tabs here, and the reason why we wedge out on the tabs, especially these ones that are in half, is so that when the box gets put together, this tab tucks into the box right there. If you had left it square, it doesn't have anywhere for this tab to fit inside the box. So, and it looks prettier. All right, I'm gonna lay this flat. You can screenshot it if you want. This is what you should have. All right, I'm gonna take my adhesive and go along this little edge here, fold that in half and this in half, and it should go. Then I'm going to tuck this in the back. Moment of truth, as I always say. Perfect. All right, so we are going to we have 4 pieces of this beautiful You're a Peach Designer Series paper. Again, this is retiring. A beautiful, peachy, very summery paper. And you need 4 pieces that are sized 1 3/8 by 5 1/8. All right, I think I saw a matching pattern here. I do like to do that when I can. Have a continuous pattern. All right, and for the top, it is 1 3/8 by 1 3/8. Perfect. So here is a punch that I think I'm going to use. It's the postage stamp punch. It's new to me. I just got it recently. Looks like that. And I think it would be perfect for this. It could stick out like that, but I thought I would put it on like so. All right. And I think this was pretty much my favorite stamp set of the mini catalog. And I'm going to use the thank you. Here we go with some creative masking. I'm going to take the U and remove it. Gonna stamp thank. And this is Calypso Coral that I'm using. I'm gonna cover the U again. Gonna do it for both. And before anybody asks, if I do use a little baby wipe, I just put it in a little shot glass so it doesn't get on paper or anything, because that has been my problem in the past. All right, so I'm gonna take I'm just having this little bit of Scotch tape that has cat hair on it. Gonna cover up the thank, and then maybe I'll take my U and go in with my U, remove my tape. Oh, that looks good. Okay, I'm gonna put my tape on again. Ink up my U, remove my tape. Bring my stamp punched out. Oh, there we go. That looks delightful. Exactly what I was hoping for. All right, turn these guys over. That was Calypso Coral ink that I was using. Took me a long time to warm up to that color. Not a fan of orange, but I do like the coral look because I think of it as peachy. For whatever reason, it wraps around my head well enough. Okay, so I'm gonna put my thank you greeting right on this box. And then I'm going to remind you that you're going to see all the supplies I used today in the video's See More section or in the supplies section of my blog. And those fast links are going to take you to my Canadian online store, where I would love the chance to meet you and earn your business. Thank you so much for watching my fold flat large scale box. And I will see you again soon. Bye for now.